Anyway, baka by next week class, malib kay baka by next week or next week mayo ako nakalib ako kasi I'm having a baby soon. Super very soon. Kaya yan. Pero tinatarapos ko na si module. By the way, na-post ko na pa si module. You can read in advance para at least may idea na kamo. Tapos yung mga lesson, bali gabos, we have 7 lessons for this quarter. So, kada sarong dance genre, yan ang lesson. So, tatarapusin ko na yan para habang nakalib ako, may gigibon pa din kamo. We'll just be discussing the nature of different dance genre. So, ito yung magiging lesson natin for this quarter, just like what I've said. So, yeah, discuss the nature of different dances, demonstrate proper etiquette and safety in the use of facilities and equipment. So, of course, syempre, ma-perform ka mo ng physical activities. Ini sa mga dapat yung tandaan. We already discussed this for the previous lesson, di ba? Last quarter. Si mga safety, si mga guidelines na dapat yung sunodon para makaiwas sa accidents and injuries. So, introduction to dance, the fundamental principle that dance is an art form or activity that utilizes the body and the range of movement of which the body is capable of. Siyempre, sabi ko, di ba, paulit-ulit na ako, we already talk about this for the previous lesson. Again, what is dance? It is an art kasi nga ganito. So, you are not just like what I've said, you are not just using your body or you're not just moving your body, but also you move your body because you want to express something. So it is an expression and communication of your emotion. So arag man lang yan kayo. So paulit-ulit kita. Pero dawa, iulit-ulit ta yan. Dawa nung gibuhon ta. Dahil na mababago ang dance na it is an art form. Okay? Moving at the same time, expression. Okay? But even in the most practical dances, movements that make up the dance are not reducible to those of straightforward labor. Rather, they involve some extra qualities such as self-expression, aesthetic pressure, and for entertainment. Of course, arog mo talaga kayan ang again, ang intention ni dance for expression, for pleasure, and for entertainment. No, though dawa, pwede kitang mag-gibuning dawa anong dance. Halimbawa, dawa anong dance na gusto ta. Depende sa kung anong activity ang gusto tang gibuhon. Pero it is more on expression, of course. And for entertainment as well. So, motives of dance, expression and communication of emotion. Though, sabi ko nga ni Kansubago, it is more on expression and communication of your emotion. So, ano ka nagbabayli? Ano ang reason ka sa tao nagbabayli siya? O ano ang reason mo ta nagbabayli ka? Ano ang reason ninda ta nagbabayli sila? So, arog man lang kaya may mga arog yan. Pwedeng about sa fitness, at the same time, para ma-express ninda si Sadira ninda. And another thing is, way of releasing powerful feelings such as sudden accesses of high spirits, joy, impatience, or anger, etc., etc. So sabi ko nga any emotions that you are feeling, yan. Okay, so sabi ko, daw anong emotion igwak na, pwede mo siyang pwede mo siyang gibuhan ni pagi through dancing. Kung agot, kung gusto mo mawara si kaagutan mo, sige, barabaylihan mo yan. Kung maugma ka man, o di ba? Minsan ang data na napapansin, pagkakayan. Pag kita maugma, napapabayli kita ng basa. So, maharot yan. Pag mundo kita, pwede tamo niya ni Agi, hindi magparasinte ka dyan. Basta harot ka yan, nagiging way yan para ma-release ka kung ano man si namamatita. Okay. So these motive forces can be seen not only the spontaneous skipping, stamping, and jumping movements, often performed in moments of intense emotion, but also in the more formalized movements of set dances such as tribal war dances or festive folk dances. So, bako lang siya itong sabi ko na Basta ka lang dyan mahiro, dance na yan. So, man dyan, dahil lang dyan nalilimit si dancing kasi ang dancing, lalo na itong mga folk dances, pero kan may nakaset ng or fix na ang steps nila, ang pattern. Wherein we cannot change daw anong step dito yan mababago. Pwede kitang mag-ibo ni choreography but not the steps or the pattern. Dito talaga yan mababago kasi it is handed down from generation to generation. Kung ano talaga yan si pakagibok ng poon, iyon na talaga yan. That is folk dance. So, dito na yan mababago. Unlike sa ibang dance genre na modern o kaya hip-hop, pwede kitang rapid ka ni, pwede kitang mag-integrate ng bagong steps, pwede kitang mag-integrate ng bagong styles na kung gusto ta, kung may ma-invento kita, why not? But not in folk dance kasi nakaset na talaga sila. So arrogant ka yan. Okay, so these are the different dance genre that we will be discussing as we go along. So, note, folk dance will be our first lesson, followed by festival, modern, cheer dance, ballroom, and hip-hop. So, expect that you are going to execute some of these basic movements, basic positions. So, pero di ko man kamo ito talagang to the highest to the performance kung araw yan. Kung nasa ko kita normal classroom setting, may competition ko ta na sabi ko among grade 12 students, perang section ka mo mga 10, 15, malaban-laban ko ta. Kaya lang we have this kind of situation, so we need to adjust. Kita man talaga dapat mag-adjust. Sanay na kita mag-adjust So, harap ka yan. So, maybe ipapagibo ko sa inyo mga dikit lang na day man ka mo mahihirapan at the same time, syempre, dahil nga sa araw ka ng sitwasyon. So, anyway, this are the dance dyan na pag-uuralayan pa. Okay? So, folk dance, papyaw lang. Ano ba si folk dance? A dance developed by people that reflect the life of the people of a certain country or region. So, of course, ang kada lugar may kanya-kanyang folk dance or sinaunang sayaw na inaapod, sinaunang sayaw ng sinaunang tao. So, arugyan kayo. So, ano ba sa mga famous folk dances that we have here in Philippines from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Of course, we're not going to discuss all of the folk dances in the Philippines kasi kung i-discuss ta, more than 1,000 yan. So, day patapos ang quarter, day tapaman yung tapos. So, mga at least mga prominent lang sa mga famous folk dances lang na igbo kay taligdi. Okay, so pag sinabing folk dances, si mga steps na anong mga particular si mga types ng folk dances. Okay, and here you're going to perform the basic or the fundamental position of arms and feet. Ano ba si first position? Yan, maharap ka yan. Okay? So, nindo? Expect nindo. Pero baka man yun yan na week. Di ako mapa-activity mo yan. Mapagal mag-check. Actually, di pa ako tapos mag-check yung mga activity nindo. Weekly na lang kayo may pa-activity. So, anyway, dahil na muna ako matao. Pero digdi sa folk dance, kapag yaon na kitang topic, ma-perform ka mo ka itong 5 fundamental step. So at least pag iring-iling na sa YouTube, madaliun man lang to. Okay? And then, the festival dance, an event ordinarily celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristic aspect of that community and its religion or culture. So sometimes it can be local or national. So, just like what I've said kanina sa folk dance, ang festival, ganun din. May mga lugar man na may kanya-kanya man na festival or itong celebrate man nila. So, kita baga digdi sa Naga, we have Peña Francia Festival. So, katatapos lang last month lang. Pero mayong celebration na naganap because of this situation or of this pandemic. So, again, minsan nabibistado ang sarong lugar because of this dance. So, igwa kitang Peña Francia. And how about the other places? Halimbawa yan sa Bisaya, sa Bisaya, particular sa ibang lugar. Again, ano man sa mga festival dance na aram nindo. Okay? So, just like si folk dances, dahil tao ubuson gabus na festival dance. Ta kung ubuson tayan, di ita matatapos sa quarter. So, si mga sisikat lang talagang ah, festival dance at may ka-idea lang naman kamo. Okay, so of course, hindi man ka mo makaka-perform kayo ng festival dance, siguro bahala na kung ano pa may sikwig. Kasi pag sinabing festival dance, composed of large group of people. So, syempre, solo ka man lang dyan sa Indo, pero so impossible na mag-ibig. But anyway, bahala na. Still on the process kung anong ipapano ko pa sa inyo. Okay, so that is festival dance. So sa modern dance naman, a broad genre of Western concert or theatrical dance, primarily arising out of Germany and the US in the late 19th and early century. So early 20th century. So it is often considered to have emerged as a rejection of or rebellion against classical ballet. So, ang aaramon naman dito sa modern dance, paano nagkaigwa ng modern dance? Isa ang pioneer digdi, tano ta nagkaigwa ng modern dance. So, yan man ang aaramon ka dito. And you are going to execute some, modern dances na yun mga kung ano ng mga sisikat, mga dance craze. So, baka pwede magamit ng TikTok. Oh, okay. So, one way yan. Since 21st century na kita. So, pwede na nito yun magamit. So, mga araw lang kayan. Ano ko pa man lang yan. Para at least may idea ka mo kung ano magiging mangyayari ngayon na quarter. And then, ballroom dance, a set of party dance enjoyed socially and competitively around the world. So with the emergence of dance competition, it is now known as dance sport. So of course, aram na mabagan nito ang ballroom. May man natong tayo nakakaalam ng ballroom. So it is composed of partner or couple na kaya po nilang magbaylining. Depende sa kung anong dance style. It could be standard or Latin. So, ang cha-cha, rumba, jive, salsa, samba, sa Invasinda belong sa Latin or sa standard. So, yan man ang pag-urulayan. Si Latin sa kasi standard discipline kang ballroom. And you're going to perform here basic steps. Halimbawa yung sa cha-cha. Side step cha-cha. O, paano hindi yun, no? So, yan mo lang gusto ko mahilig. O kaya itong back step cha-cha. O, paano nito gigubuhin niya? Forward and back cha-cha. Mga arog kayan. Ang foxtrot ba, ang jive. So at least, kadikit mo lang, di ko makawag itong papaperform. Di makaw ma-perform yung itong with the partner talaga. I know, magiging imposible since na yawn ka mo dyan sa araw nito. So, ilingon talang siyo itong possible na magigibo nindo. Or at least daw, ayaw na ka mo dyan, makakaya nindo. So, that is ballroom. And then, of course, sabi ko nga dance sports na inaapod siya pag competition. Di ba nagkaigwa ng, yan, dance sports sa NCA Plus last school year. So, yan, pag competition, ang apod na sa iya is dance sport, pako ng ballroom. Pero pag mga itong performance, entertainment, ballroom pa din siya. Pero pag competition, dance sports na apod sa iya. Okay. Okay, so that cheering while dancing. So of course, to motivate one's moral, syempre to cheer one's group, si team. So commonly pini-perform yun beginning of the program, 'di ba? Pag may mga intrams, so kaya kung ano event na may mga sports event, yeah. So they know si shelf dance. And so ang gigibuhon man ni Digdi is you're going to execute the basic position. Halimbawa, high V, low V, T, maarong kayan. So mga basic yan. Pero ang level ba dapat igwa ang cheer dance? So hanggang third ba, fourth, fifth. So yan ang aramon ta. Ano mga dapat isipon pag ka sa cheer dance? Pero kung yan araw, gani ka ni last year, tama ba? Yeah. Last year, nagpa-compete nga na ako ng cheer dance sa gabos sa section. So, okay man si ano Linda, si performance. Kaya alam mo niyan, nakakasad lang na ikaw makaka-perform. Anyway, ma-perform ka mo solo. Si mga basic ano lang, position. But anyway, ganun talaga ang buhay. Kailangan natin mag-adjust. Okay, so that is cheer dance. So sa hip-hop naman, also known as street dance style, primarily to hip-hop music or that have evolved as part of hip-hop culture. So paano man nagpuon si hip-hop sa na lugar nagpuon si hip-hop o paano nag-eego ng hip-hop. So mga arog ka yan. So yan man ang aram mo. Anong mga different dance style ang igwa sa hip-hop? Ang breakdancing. So we'll be talking about the different dance style. Popping, locking, and including here the robotic. So, itong mga robotic movement. Si mga pitik-pitik kang hawak nito. So, kasali din sa hip-hop. So, yan man lang ang pag-uuralayan.